Hello, welcome to the International Kitchen Project.
Welcome, that's the International Kitchen.
Today we're going to be trying food from people who have cooked all over the world.
I only drank a cup of coffee this morning.
I'm expecting potentially some sausage, maybe a potato.
So let's see how it's gonna taste.
So I was looking forward to it. My name is Jun. Today I'm gonna taste the dish that my colleague Meret, who is from Germany, prepared. So I was looking forward to it. I mean, it's German dish and maybe some, I don't know, like sausage soups. Of course, for example, like sausage plate or like queso plate, and also haxe. It's very tasty with the pre-cooked vegetables. So hello, here is frites pommes, and on this plate it looks like chicken pieces with some, I don't know, it's tomato sauce.
It's supposed to be sausage.
Sausage!
Yeah.
What? It's pretty tasty actually. Now I can use this sauce. Yummy! So I say now this is vegetarian curry wurst, one of the traditional food in Germany. I think it's very
Especially in Berlin.
yes, exactly. Great, thank you.